Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check your DMS on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in, go ahead and use your credentials to sign in, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, look for the messenger icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to proceed. If you don't see the icon, you might need to update your Instagram app in the App Store or Google Play Store. Inside Instagram Messenger, you'll find all your chats. Tap on any chat to view your conversations or direct messages. To send a message, tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen and start typing your message. When you're done, tap the send button to send your message. You can also make a call by tapping on the call icon in the top right corner of the chat screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.